Hi, everybody. Welcome to Talksphere. Talks to inspire you. Today, I got an interesting topic for you. Most common mispronouncing English words. I got here 5 English words. Definitely, it will be useful. Most of the people mispronounce these, make mistakes during their conversations and presentations. By paying a little bit attention, you can make your English perfect. Especially, the pronunciation is the best tool to make your language super. So let's have a look on. The first word I got here is H-E-A-R-T. What is this? This is heart. 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 Our body parts. For example, she has a kind heart. He underwent for a heart open surgery. She survived from a heart block. So in this context, we pronounce this word as heart. Heart. Most of the people mispronounce this word as hurt. Hurt. What's the problem with it? You know, the problem, hurt is yet another word in English. It has also got yet another meaning that has no any connection with heart. This is hurt. H-U-R-T. We pronounce this hurt. 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 It means to make injury, to feel pain. For example, it hurts when I bend my knee. It hurts when I bend my knee. Stop. You are hurting me. Stop. You are hurting me. So now, let's make another example, including both words. Don't hurt my heart with your baseless allegations. Don't hurt my heart with your baseless allegations. The second example I got here for you is C-O-N-T-E-N-T. How to pronounce this one? Most of the people, they mispronounce this in a wrong way, by which the meaning gets a drastic change. So what is the actual pronunciation of this word? This is content. 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 What do you mean by this one? Content means something that includes inside. For example, I tore the letter without reading the content. Means whatever is written inside, without reading the content, I tore the letter and throw away. Read the content of the book before you purchase. Read the content of the book before you purchase. See, actually you can see the content page in the first of each and every book that includes whatever the topics are inside. So that we call content. And this word, most of the people mispronounce in a wrong way. How it is? They use content. Content. But in English, we got yet another word with the same spelling but different meaning. That is this. Content. The same spelling, but it is to be pronounced as content. Content. By the pronunciation itself, the meaning is changing. So, what is the meaning of content? Content means satisfaction. Satisfaction. For example, I am content. I am content with the salary I get. I am content with the salary I get means I am satisfied with the salary I receive from my company. We can make it another example, using both words in a single sentence. Listen. I am content with the content of the book. Yesterday, I read a book. I am content with the content of the book. I watched a video. I am content enough with the content of the video. Okay? That's it. Now let's move to the third one. This is most familiar and common word in English. Most of the people mispronounce in a wrong way. Collegee. What's the pronunciation? This is not college. This is not college. This is college. 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 That's the correct pronunciation of this word. For example, I have completed my graduation from Madinatul Noor College. College. And we got yet another word, similar spelling except a slight change. Here, A instead of E. How to read this one? This is collage. 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 What is actually the collage? Collage is an artwork combining lot of piece of pictures and photos depicting a idea with making pieces of photos and images. That is known as collage. Collage. For example, as a part of festival, we organized a collage competition at our college. Okay? It includes, we organized a collage competition at our college. College. Both comes in the same sentence. Okay, shall we move to the next one? The fourth one is EFFECT. What do you mean by this one? How to pronounce this one? This is effect. 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 What's the meaning? Effect means the impact. The impact you make in something. As an effect of his speech, people selected him as their leader. As an effect of the speech, they selected him as a leader. Let's look another example. Wear a t-shirt for a casual effect. Effect. For a casual effect. And we got yet another word with the same spelling except a slight change here. The first letter is A instead of E. This is affect. Affect. What's the meaning of affect? It means influencing something. To have some influence of something on something. Okay, for example, your opinion never affect on my decision. Your opinion never affect on my decisions. Another example, surely social media have an effect on children's behavior. Social media have an effect on children's behavior. Okay, let's move to the last example I got for you is DESERT. How to pronounce this one? This is the most common English word people mispronounce. This is desert. 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 What's the meaning? This is the barren, haughty, sandy place. For example, Arabian desert. Saharan desert. For example, on weekend days, we used to go Arabian desert. We got yet another word with the same spelling, a slight change. This is DESS. Here it is single S, here it is double S. This word also got an extremely different meaning. This is, how to pronounce first of all? This is desert. 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 This is desert. Desert. What is the meaning? The meaning is snacks, sweet snacks that we used to have after a heavy meal. For example, I used to have ice cream as a dessert after the meal. We had a dessert after the lunch. Now let's make it another example. Last week, during our journey through the Arabian desert, I had some dessert after the heavy meal. I had some dessert after the heavy meal. So these are the most common English mispronouncing words. By paying a little bit of attention, you can make your English perfect. Always pronunciation makes difference. Your language will be perfect with the correct pronunciation that will never affect the meaning and never misunderstand the meaning by the people. That's all. Definitely, I believe this video will be helpful for you. Keep tuned with me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.